guys, Brina New here from Traveling Through Hazel Eyes, and today we are reviewing the Farpoint Osprey backpack. So like I said, we're reviewing the Farpoint Osprey backpack, but I do want to put a disclaimer out there. I haven't yet traveled with this backpack. I just purchased it for my 4-month-long backpacking trip across Australia, but I will definitely be posting an updated review of the video when I get home. So this is the 55-liter size small backpack. I'm 5'3", so the size small is what I had to get for my back size. The dimensions are also going to be displayed right here, so I won't necessarily get into all of that. But I purchased this backpack from Amazon for roughly $130, but I know it usually does sell for $180 on websites like REI and Osprey. And this is also the volcanic gray color. I tend to buy items when I'm traveling that are darker because it tends to not show how dirty the item actually gets. And I do think that the 55-liter is a perfect size backpack. It's not too big and it's not too small, especially if you're going to one type of climate or if you're only traveling for about half a year or less. So the outside of this backpack does seem to be very nice and pretty durable. This backpack is also versatile, meaning it can be either a duffel bag or it can be a backpack. There are these two very sturdy handles for the duffel bag portion.
Now, if you are wanting to use this as a backpack versus a duffel bag, there is a hideaway flap here which holds the backpack straps in and hides them. All you have to do is unzip the zipper here to undo the flap where there is an ID storage, so you can put your information in just in case you want that if your luggage ever does get stolen. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll, actually the other way, this flap in under the secret compartment. Nice and easy, and then you're going to Velcro it shut. So that is going to hide away that flap and it's going to release the backpack straps now.
Alright, so here we have the backpack straps. We do have a shoulder strap and a hip belt where all your weight really should be held. There's also compression straps all over this thing really that you can make as big or as little as you want depending on you. And also in the back we have a mesh ventilation panel. It definitely should lessen how sweaty you get. But there is one thing that I want to note really quickly, and that's the padding of these shoulder straps and hip belt. It's really not that much. I think they're a little too thin, and I think it's going to affect the comfortability of this backpack. But if you do want something that's super padded, I would suggest to check out the Kelty Red Wing backpack. Alright, now let's look at the front of the pack. In the front of the pack we have, like I said, a lot more compression straps so you can cinch up your backpack a lot smaller. We also have these two loops here. Comment below if you know what these things do because I have no clue. And something that I think is kind of ridiculous about this backpack is that the cup holders are in the front of the pack. So when you're wearing them, and if you have T-Rex arms like me, you're never going to be able to reach that water bottle in there. I don't know why it's not on the side, but just how it is. And then lastly, on the front of this pack, we have this teeny little compartment that is waterproof where you can store things. I would probably put, my cell phone or my passport in this because it's easily accessible. Alright, so now let's get into the inside of this backpack. In order to open it, you're going to have to pop open these compression straps. And this is a suitcase style backpack, which means it's not top loading like your traditional backpacks. All you have to do is take this zipper here, which are really thick, sturdy zippers, and open it. It'll open wide, so you can get to all of your things easy peasy, and you can lay it open like a suitcase.
Now to open this backpack, we're going to take this zipper here to You open it nice and wide, and here we have a nice neon green color inside. On the right side, we have 2 more compression straps where you can cinch it down to make your clothes tighter. And then here on this side, we have another compartment where you can take the zipper, open it, and a lot more storage. I tend to put my dirty laundry right here. I am a little bit worried about the space, so I'm definitely gonna have to pack light.
Now the biggest reason that I purchased this backpack is that because this is actually a detachable day pack. All you have to do is zip it off. And voila, we have a backpack. So this is going to be super helpful because when you're wanting to go on those hiking trips or just, you know, walking around town, you can go ahead and lock that big backpack in your hostel or wherever you are and take this day pack with you. It's also easy enough to store under the airplane seat, so it can also be taken as your carry-on as well.
And inside this backpack, we have 1 mesh zipper compartment as well as a laptop sleeve. It should be big enough for a 15-inch laptop inside.
Alright, so before we end this video, I want to ask you guys what your favorite part of this backpack is, and also if you know of any other backpack out there on the market for the price that's better than this one, go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get updated on my future travels and future reviews. Thanks for watching!